Hi! Welcome to my vlog!
Hi, I'm from the Philippines.
All of us are from the Philippines.
I'm from Indonesia.
From Thailand.
Vietnam, from Vietnam. I'm from Encantadia.
Hi! Ayan, batalyon kami mga ka-therapy at ito ang Marela Discovery, no? Pero mas malaki ang ano, no? Mas malaki to. Silipin natin ang labas para makasagap naman tayo ng fresh air. And really, ang napakagandang dilag ka ba o dalag? Dalag. At si Mean, dati natin kasama.
Nandito na.
Dati nakasama sa training. And ayun. Liga na ba eh? Yan. Magandang araw mga ka-therapy. Magandang gabi. Magandang araw. Sama sulok tayo ng ating mundo. Ayan, enjoy natin saan man tayo naroroon. Okay. Hi, Sir. Hello. I know for sure that you were meant to fall in love. I look into your eyes.
Ayan na.
Tayo magkakasama na na. Ayan ang pinakamaganda nating ladies. Ladies and the spa.
OMG. Pala natin yung main plate natin. Kanya yung gusto kong tugtugin sa ano. Sa party. Kaya nga, yung mga girls sa
Lai. Ang gaganda naman ng mga to.
Kasi maliit ka.
Oo, kasi maliit ako. Okay. Thank you so much. Pasyal tayo mga ka-therapy. Enjoy natin ang moment. Hi! Welcome to my vlog!
Hi, I'm from the Philippines.
All of us are from the Philippines.
I'm from Indonesia.
From Thailand.
Vietnam, from Vietnam. I'm from Encantadia.
Hi! How are you?
I'm good. You ready for the beach?
No, we are just walking.
So 1 hour tour of the island?
Just walking, just seeing
walk
the
around.
place.
So you don't want a tour?
Yes, later or next time. Parang Parang guest lang ah.
When you're ready, you can come back to me and I will knock you guys a nice 1 hour tour and I have a big van and you're gonna, what time is she leaving?
I don't know because they are the leader.
Yeah.
The leader is the lady with wearing the black one.
So you want to do something on the island before
No,
you leave?
no. We have to try first to visit this place first. Then we will go there. Huh?
Yeah, but look, sometimes it's better you do the tour and then when you get back, you just go back to the ship.
You can talk to our leader.
I would like to talk to the leader. Hello, the boss. She's the boss.
Magandang dilag.
Something like guys, they $2.
Ayan mga ka-therapy at dito nga oh. Ay, may mga wallet. Souvenir. Therapy ng food to eat.
How much per order? Chicken?
Yes.
Okay, rice chicken salad, $10.
$10 the rice chicken.
Rice chicken salad.
Mine is rice plus fish plus this.
So how much
Yeah.
is that? Something like that.
This. Roasted, right? Roasted.
Ano sa'yo eh? Ano kung magaganto ko, pansit ko, tsaka chicken.
chicken and you said the
Gulay. Yan, nakaka-therapy, kain tayo. With feeling. Ayan. So, kumain tayo dito. Ayan. Kain tayo mga ka-therapy. Ay, masarap. Enjoy the food?
Oh, yes. Very good.
Ah. 15. Hi. You're from which country? USA?
America.
Wow. And you also in a cruise ship?
Out of sea.
Out of sea?
We're Caribbean.
Oh, nice to see you
Are
here.
you from ship?
Yes.
Which ship?
We're a crew.
MCI?
Sabat up to to.
A crew. We are crew. Crew. We are workers in the ship.
Oh, you're crew. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I understand. Ah, so this must be a good place to eat food.
Yeah. Wow.
If the crew showed up here.
Can get pizza.
Well done. No, thank you. Got curry goat.
You just took all the table of, oh my god. No. Come. Also here, no? We don't have table anymore.
We split up and I don't know where she is, so I said I'm going to eat food. More space.
Fun. Hindi ko nag-ice cream tayo. Nag-ice cream ka. Kayan. Kayan. Hi, thank you sa ice cream, Jonathan. Free from Jonathan. Best ice cream here in Antigua. US, Caribbean. Caribbean. And it's time to return.
Let's get out of the way. Oops, sorry. I put the ship behind.
Ay, ganyan yung apatot. May apatot din pala dito mga ka-therapy. Oh. Ryan, picture mo ulit ako. Ha? Picturean mo ulit